preservers are stored in labeled storage lockers under some of the exterior seats on both ends. These do not tamper with those that are for emergencies or the downing of life preservers. Instructions for their use are located inside the lockers. Please do not stand on the seats or sit on the seat backs of the railings. Feel free to move around the vessel, however, please walk, do not run on board. Please use extra caution on the stairs, which are located toward the aft of the vessel. Please do not congregate on them, and please use the handrails. Emergency exits are located on either side of the vessel on both decks. Smoking or vaping on this vessel is unlawful and is not permitted anywhere on board. Flash photography at or near the pilot house is prohibited. Please keep your hands and arms inside the vessel at all times. Interfering with the safe operation of this vessel is illegal and subject to a civil penalty. Please do not throw trash overboard, on the deck, or in the toilet. Trash cans are located throughout the vessel. The restroom is in the aft section of the main deck. The snack bar is in the main cabin. If you have questions or need assistance, please contact the uniformed crew member. Once again, welcome aboard.
Pretty interesting how they raise these bridges up. And now we're heading back to the Opera House where we'll get on the train to go back to Glen Ellen.